Here we are unboxing the first phone ever on this channel. It is going to be the new Huawei NOVA phone. As you can see, there it is, the phone. Packaging is actually good. Let's keep the phone aside for a second now. We'll get a SIM ejector tool and a clear case. It's plastic, you know, but it's cool to get a case with the phone, but still, yeah. This will have a fast charger included with the box. And then we can see the Type-C cable. Then we have a headphone. This phone comes with a earphone, unlike other flagship phones or high-end phones, you can call it. It's actually pretty good. Now let's get back to the phone. Here it is. Let's peel off this back plastic. Oh, look at that. It's got this dual color texture. I have the red model now. It has this red and purplish texture. Got the IR blaster up front and the headphone jack on top, and USB Type-C port at the bottom, and for down-firing speakers and the mic. Let's boot this thing up. Yeah, this phone is currently only available in China, so yeah, looks pretty cool, right? Like, the display is clean, it's perfectly symmetrical except for the hole on top, which I guess it's actually touch sensitive. So let's open the camera. That was pretty. Yeah, here look, you can see me gaming, and you can actually tell the screen like to adjust that. It is actually touch sensitive. And there are two more phones in market like this currently. Huawei sub-brand Honor announced their own punched hole display phone, and Samsung announced their A8s, I guess, which also has this similar looking punched hole display. It's actually the camera, front-facing camera on the screen, which kind of looks like a hole and nothing else. No notch, complete display. It's actually cool to see this phone running so smoothly. I don't expect this to be this smooth. I'm running the game at the highest frame rate possible, and in the HDR, so it looks good so far. Let's play. It has got a triple camera setup on the back, and you can use the fingerprint sensor. Also has the face detection mode, which you can use. The fingerprint scanner is perfectly placed behind, and you can see that LED glow before the screen gets turned on. And that'll be it. Catch you guys in the next one.